Everybody overpacks when they travel. Here are 14 essentials that you need to bring with you. What's up guys, my name is Nicholas from the Single Dad Nomad, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you 14 things that you need to bring with you on your travels and nothing more. The most important thing that you need to have when you go traveling is a reliable bag. Okay, a lot of other travelers are going to recommend that you get one of those big backpacks that look like a big turtle shell on your back, and those are cool, a lot of good types of bags like that. I personally prefer something a little bit different. It's the Ricardo Beverly Hills duffel bag, and the reason I like it is simple. It has the ability not only to do the backpack style, but it also has wheels and a handle so you can pull on it. It's a super durable bag. It has tons of compartments in it, and despite its size and features, it's relatively lightweight. So if you're looking for an awesome travel bag to take with you, I recommend the same one that I use, and I'll put a link to it down in the description box for you if you want to check it out. After you've picked out your travel bag, that unfortunately has to get checked in at the airline when you go. So you're going to need other things to carry on with. So here's what I recommend to carry on with. What I do is I just get a pretty standard backpack. I bought mine for like $12.50 in Hong Kong. That is more than sufficient to carry everything I need to carry on. So what's going into my travel bag? Most importantly, I always carry an extra pair of clothes with me. I carry, an extra shirt, extra pair of underwear, shorts, socks, and I also carry along a light jacket in case it gets cold on the airplane. You just need one extra pair of clothes in your carry-on bag. So if you're on a flight, maybe you want to take a nap like I do, so I just use a few key things to help me sleep. Awesome earplugs. They're made of like kind of this putty material. They don't jab into your ears like those little foam ones will. They're really comfortable, and they do a great job of blocking out sound. I also use an eye cover to cover up my eyes, just block out all the light. I'll throw on my pair of Bose headphones with the noise canceling capabilities. That really blocks out like the drum of the airplane's engine and anything else going on inside of the airplane. I also use a neck pillow. Now a lot of people will just buy neck pillows at the airport. I don't recommend that. For one, they're really expensive, and for two, they're gigantic and bulky and they're sitting around your neck like this. I like to use a blow-up neck pillow. That way you can just compress it right back down whenever you're done with it. So much easier. And probably the thing that helps me sleep the most, even if I don't want to, is I'll take a little bit of Dramamine, and that's to just help with the motion sickness that I sometimes have to deal with. Next, if you want to be safe while you're traveling, I recommend bringing along a travel wallet. Now, travel wallets are not stylish by any means, but they're not supposed to be. Okay, I usually wear mine up over top of my ab, and inside of that I'll keep all my extra cash, any extra cards that I don't need in the moment, and the things that I do need while I'm at the airport or while I'm moving, say my passports or the money that I need in my pocket, I'll keep those there just like that. The travel wallet is mostly there just to keep the extra money that we have from being out in the open. If you're a human, you like to be entertained, you should bring along your own entertainment. What do you need? Basically, you need to have your cell phone with you. You're not supposed to use it on the plane, but you're gonna need it when you get off the plane and beforehand as well. I recommend bringing along your tablet. I have the Kindle Fire. I really like it because it's small, but you can throw an SD card in it and download a bunch of movies on it, and so you always have something to do, something to watch right there. I can plug my headphones into it really easy and just watch whatever I like to watch. Most importantly, when you're carrying those electronic devices, you should also have a battery pack. This extra battery pack will just make sure your entertainment doesn't lose all its power. Lastly, and you probably didn't forget this, you're gonna need some snacks. What kind of snacks do I recommend? Now, I recommend something a little bit hearty, a little bit sweet, and something a little bit crunchy and salty. The sweet thing, I usually get just like a pack of gummy bears. That usually works for me. The crunchy and salty, some trail mix is usually a really good option. If you get the M&Ms in it, having that chocolate in there also. Lastly, you need something a little bit hearty. I recommend just bringing along like a big-ass apple. Maybe not that big, maybe an apple like this. Big, crunchy, filling, you're not gonna go hungry on the plane. And obviously don't forget your water bottle. Better to fill it up after you go through the baggage points and through the immigration, because those places are going to make you dump it out, and you can usually fill it up afterwards at a spigot or a water fountain that you will find inside of the airport. So those were the 14 travel essentials that everyone needs to take with them. Obviously you can bring more, so that's my question for you today. What is one more thing that you would add to your travel essential list? Let me know down in the comments what that you would bring extra. And guys, if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate that. Smash that like button. Love you guys. Peace.